Welcome to the RPTU presentation at the Research Fair Japan. Hi everyone. I'm honored to have the opportunity to introduce you to the University of Kaiserslautern-Landau, RPTU, a University of Science and Technology. It's a place where innovative research meets interdisciplinary collaboration. My name is Parya Memar and I'm the Director of International Affairs of the RPTU. RPTU is located in the middle of Europe with campuses in Kaiserslautern and Landau. Our university is strategically positioned with excellent connections to major cities such as Paris, Munich, and Frankfurt, which is beneficial for both academic and professional exchange. As you can see, we are located in southwest of Germany. We have 16 faculties at RPTU, and we are proud to offer a wide array of academic disciplines spread across those 16 faculties. These include fields such as architecture, biology, engineering, business studies, and social sciences. And you can see here in the slide which faculty is located in which city, either in Kaiserslautern or in Landau. We are especially known for strong research profiles. RPTU has around 70,000 students, 1/5 of them international. We have around 300 professors with their chairs and research focuses and around 2,600 employees, academic staff in Kaiserslautern and Landau. Our university is a research-oriented university and has a state funding which more than half of our budget, which is around 270 million euro. Less than half of that is third-party research funding. Across our 16 academic faculties, we have different research focus areas like bioanalytics and system biology, high-performance material and constructions, and mathematical modeling and complex systems, and so on. You can see them, a part of them, on the slide. Our interdisciplinary approach allows us to tackle complex global challenges, from climate change to technological innovations. We are deeply committed to providing solutions that make a positive impact on society. One of our core strengths is our focus on research-driven education. Whether you are pursuing undergraduate studies or doctoral research, we place significant emphasis on equipping students with both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. In our research, we dive into areas like sustainable development, addressing environmental concerns, and the future of education, where we explore innovations in artificial intelligence, digitalization, and how these technologies can reshape learning environments. Particularly in response to global challenges like the shortage of skilled workers and experts in STEM fields. Collaboration with Japan plays a crucial role in RPTU's internationalization efforts, and we are eager to expand our academic and research collaboration with Japanese institutions. We see currently great potential for joint programs, student exchange, scholar exchange, and collaborative research projects that align with our areas of strength, including artificial intelligence, sustainable technologies, and educational innovations. For Japanese researchers, we offer a dynamic environment to contribute to groundbreaking research. Whether you are in the early stage of your career or considering a PhD, RPTU provides a nurturing ecosystem for academic growth. We also encourage students to engage in mobility programs that will enrich their educational experience, allowing them to build strong international networks. Transfer dialogue with society and economy is one of our strengths. Current examples are listed here in the slide, as you can see. Our university doesn't just work within academic circles, we have a strong focus on transferring research outcomes to the real world. For example, we collaborate with the German Research Center for Artificial Intelligence, the Fraunhofer Institute for Industrial Mathematics, and other renowned institutions on campus in Kaiserslautern or in Landau. These partnerships allows us to work on high-impact innovations in engineering, digitalization, artificial intelligence, and sustainable solutions. As Japan continues to lead the way in technological innovation, we see immense potential for synergies between RPTU's cutting-edge research and Japan's advanced technological sector. Why choose RPTU for your PhD or as a partner in your research project? RPTU offers a unique interdisciplinary environment where you can explore your academic interest while contributing to research that addresses global challenges. For PhD candidates, our support includes access to international research networks, collaborative projects with industry leaders, a focus on real-world applications of academic research, mentorship from leading professors in your field. If you're looking for a place to advance your research career and make a meaningful impact, RPTU could be your ideal partner. Thank you for your attention. We are excited about the possibility of welcoming more Japanese researchers and PhD candidates to our vibrant community. If you have any question or would like to explore opportunities at the RPTU, please don't hesitate to contact us at the details provided below. We look forward to connecting with you soon. Thank you very much.